Hi fellow DIYers! Welcome back to my channel and welcome if you're new. In this video, I'm going to show you how to make a coffee cup gift box. It's very easy and fun to do. This makes a great gift card holder, treat holder, party favor, or small gift holder. You just need your Cricut machine, cardstock, and a hot glue. So let's get started! I got the SVG file from Etsy. I put the link in my description box. Open your Design Space app, click Upload image, and then browse. So there's a note from the seller that says there are 2 SVG files contained within the set that I just purchased. It just basically indicates that one file has dashed cut folds and that you don't have to use score tool, and the other one has solid lines intended to be scored. So I'm going to choose the dash cut folds right here, then click Open, click Upload, click the image that we've just uploaded, then Add to Canvas. As we can see here, we have 4 pieces with broken lines. The machine will cut the broken lines to help us fold the pieces easily. So now we're going to make a template so that we can maximize the size of our cup to the size of our mat. So click Shapes, choose the square one. So we'll adjust the size of this one to 11.5 by 11.5. So my currently view is at 100%. I'm going to adjust it to 50% so we can see all the pieces. Now I'm going to send this template to back and change the color to light gray so that we can see the pieces clearly. Now that we're done sizing it, we don't need this template anymore, so I'm going to delete it. Click Ungroup, and then all the broken lines that we see here are needed to be attached to the pieces. Click Make It, and as we can see here, we have 3 different mats. Because we're gonna need 3 different colors of cardstock, it's just a way to distinguish that we are using 3 different colors for our project and that each mat corresponds to that color. So first mat is for the sleeve, second is for the body of the cup, and the third is the lid. Now we're ready to cut the first one, which is the sleeve. Click Continue, click Medium Cardstock, and pressure you can adjust to more. And then press the Flash and Go button on your machine. So these cardstock are what I'm going to use. Make sure you place your third cardstock on landscape because the machine will cut it that way. So these are the dashed lines or the broken lines that I was talking about earlier. These broken lines will help us fold the pieces easily. So I'm going to use a hot glue for this project. I'm going to start with the body of the cup. the sleeve, and the lid. And there we have it! If you like this video, please hit the like button. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comments below. All feedback is welcome and any feedback is good feedback. Please subscribe to my channel and check out my other tutorials. See you on the next episode of DIY by Sass. Thanks for watching!